the support group is a very good and an efficient area. We all need to actually have the support group. In fact, in case if anyone in our panel here or all our friends, I would really encourage you people to have this support group, because at times it is very difficult to express your emotions even to your loved one, even to your members in the family, because you're so scared that how will they judge you. This feeling of judgments is very difficult, and half the things in our life we do not talk because we are with that umbrella kuch to log kahenge. We do not see the next aspect ki logon ka kaam hai कहना, but the first thing which comes is kuch to log kahenge. So it is so important the support group has to be there, because the support groups allows you to speak what you are undergoing. The support group is there to listen to you in a non-judgmental space. So having a non-judgmental and a space where you can voice out what you want to voice out, and the other people over there are just listening. They are not adding a meaning to those words. So if I say that I am feeling low, my low doesn't mean that I am sad. My low feels that I am low on my energy. That is not at all telling that I am sad. So these support groups are very effective because they understand the language, what you speak, and they actually take the language in the same way. The entire comprehension of the language is the same. They do not titrate your language. They do not play with your words, or they do not give you ideas. अच्छा ऐसा भी हो रहा है, अच्छा ऐसा भी हो रहा है, अच्छा ऐसा भी हो रहा है. No. They just allow you to be who you are and express, and there you have people who are just listening to you. And in that there are some people who might use certain techniques, like maybe techniques of art ABT, art based therapy, where you have certain skills. You can use some collage work, where you can use some painting work, where you can just use something called as rhythm, and the entire energy starts changing of the group. So support group is very, very effective, and support group with a goal will allow the entire menopausal phase to be active and space, and it can be a very sacred space for the females. And I do not want to make it gender. I would love if each and every one of us contribute, whether it is male or female, because ultimately we all have our emotions. So in this emotions, जब हम साथ साथ चलेंगे, it will be good. It is not कि हम इस पार तुम उस पार बीच में menopause की दीवार. No. It should just not be like that. It should be as together, and it should be having a smooth and a soft and a very beautiful journey of understanding the whole thing.